What's up, pioneers? This is Daniel here with Your Daily Investor, the place where we talk about investing not only in stocks but in yourself. Look, if you don't want to invest in these hot stocks and you want more so of a safety net, but you want to also have massive gains, in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys 2 hot ETFs that's going to get you to double your money in 2021. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. I am excited to bring today's video to you guys, but before we get into that, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe down low and turn on post notifications because we're going to be posting daily content and I don't want you guys to miss out on any of the great news, great content that we're going to be bringing over here at Your Daily Investor. Now, without further ado, the 2 ETFs I was talking about is ticker symbol HAIL and ticker symbol DRIV. And right now is the best time to go ahead and start building out your position in these ETFs because they are on track for massive gains and they're actually on track to already beat the S&P 500, which a lot of people like to try and beat the market. And I'm going to show you guys why I believe they will beat the S&P 500 this year and why they're going to bring massive gains to you now and also in the future. So this ETF right here is ticker symbol HAIL, and I'm going to show you the reason why I believe they're going to double your money in 2021 and also give you massive gains in the long term as well. I have a position built out in this ETF and I'm going to show you that in my portfolio later. So I want to show you guys the positions that this ETF is holding and why this should be on your radar to get into. So right now I'm going to show you guys the top 10 holdings that this ETF is holding. Plug Power has started off 2021 going to the moon. Plug Power is a heavy hitter right now and it's definitely going to be a heavy hitter in the long term. And this ETF is getting carried by Plug Power. That is something that you like to see. And right out the bat you see UAVS. UAVS had a great run today. This is their number 2 holding in this ETF. And UAVS is in the drone software business and they are just now scratching the surface. With EV coming out and LiDAR, with everything to do with being in these electric vehicles, UAVS is just now scratching the surface. They are going to go up, which is going to bring this ETF values up as well. We also have Blink Charging, which they're the 3rd holding in this ETF. We have to have charging stations going in the future, and Blink Charging has been on fire. They're going to be a big player in that space, and this ETF has them. And when they go up, the ETF will go up. We also have Ballard Power Systems. We also have Tesla. Everybody knows who Tesla is. Tesla is going to be a big player from right now to forever. Tesla is the big dog in the game and this ETF has them. So when Tesla does well, this company is going to do well. This ETF is just going to go up with it as well. And we have one of my favorite stocks that's in the game right now, Workhorse. Workhorse has so much potential. They're just waiting to get their USPS contract. Once they get their USPS contract, they're going to skyrocket. And when they go up, this ETF is going to go up with them as well. So this is one of them. And I want to show you some statistics on why I think this ETF is going to double your money in 2021. So this is HAIL, ticker symbol HI. So this is HAIL, ticker symbol HAIL. And I want you guys to see that I already have 5 shares built out in this company. I'm already up 4%. I just got into this like a couple days ago and I'm already up 4%. I want to show you guys the progress that this ETF had compared to the S&P 500. It shot up and exploded exponentially last year. In the past year, this ETF is up 103%. 103%. Matter of fact, your bank isn't even paying you like that. 103%, that is unbelievable. They have companies that they're holding that's going to be booming in the long term. Plug Power, NEO, Tesla, those are long-term companies and they're just not scratching the surface because electric vehicles is now the next big thing and they're going to be around for a long time. So right now, get in while everything is just now starting up. The infrastructure for everything is just now getting built. So this is the perfect time to go ahead and start building out positions in this ETF. If you can invest $5 a day or $50 a week or $25 a week, do what you can to just make sure you start just building out little small positions in this ETF and just allow your money to grow over time. This is going to be a safety net. This is not a hot stock. You're not going to have to worry about it being super volatile. The weight of the ETF is balanced out with all the many companies that it holds. So it's not going to be super volatile and it's going to be a safety net. It's going to allow you to feel more comfortable investing your money into this ETF because you know that it's a safety net and you don't have to worry about volatility. So my strategy every week, I'm probably going to put $50 into this ETF every week from here on out. And just every week, next week, the week after, I'm going to put $50 here, $50 there, $50 here. And I'm just going to allow it to grow. I'm going to compound this ETF. This ETF is for the long haul, not the short term. This ETF is for retirement. You put money into this, so when you get ready to retire, you have money in this ETF. You will have your positions built out, many hundreds of shares, maybe thousands, and you're going to be good to go, because this is a future ETF that's going to get you to double your money. So that was the overview for ticker symbol HAIL, and why I think that ETF is going to give you great potential in doubling your money in 2021. Now, the next ETF I want to bring you guys is ticker symbol DRIV. I want to show you guys the top 10 holdings in this company. So let's get into it. So this right here is DRIV ETF. And these are the top 10 holdings in this ETF. As you can see, just like HAIL, they have Tesla, they have Plug Power, they have NIO, they have Qualcomm. Qualcomm is going to be a heavy hitter when it comes to 5G. They have Apple, they have Nvidia, they have Samsung, Google, and Toyota. These right here are the top 10 holdings of this ETF. They have more, but these right here are the ones that mainly carry the weight of this ETF. And I want to show you guys the best thing about this ETF is it is just now getting off the ground. As long as it's actively managed, it's only $27.02. This is a great one to go ahead and jump in and to be able to just dump money into every week, every month, or however you want to do it. I am not a financial advisor, but I do recommend you get with a financial advisor before making any investments into the stock market. This right here is just solely my opinion based off of research and what I currently see in the markets right now. But yeah, this ETF is only $27.02. I don't have a position built out on this one, but I probably will tomorrow. I probably will start my positions in this ETF tomorrow. And like I said, just dump money into it. You can do it every day, every week, or every month, or every 2 months, however you want to do it. If you don't want to be involved in risky hot stocks, individual stocks, get into these ETFs that's going to allow you to double your money and have a safety net and feel more comfortable is a great move. I want to show you guys the growth of this ETF, just like I showed you guys HAIL, which went up 103% in the past year. This one went up 75.34% in the past year, which is outstanding. That is outstanding. If you got money in the bank that's in your savings account, you will never get a percentage gain like that. You will never get a percentage gain like that. I did have money in my savings account, but everything now that I would have in my savings account, I either invested into an ETF or I invested into a stock like Tesla, and those right there are my savings account, because I want to get a better return doing that than just having money in my savings account and just letting it sit there. But before you do that, you do need to have an emergency fund built out for 3 to 6 months in advance before you just dump money into the stock market. That's why a financial advisor is very crucial and very key to get with before you just start investing. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I wanted to try and bring you guys 2 of the hottest ETFs that I know is going to get you to double your money this year if you don't want to play around with the individual stocks, because trust me, these stocks, they get hot. And when they hot, they are hot. And if you don't want to lose a lot of money, or you have little money to play with, getting into these ETFs is a great move. So I'm going to end the video here. I hope that was helpful. If you like the content, if you like the video, make sure you leave a like in the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the post notification bell. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed night. Be great. Make sure to smile. And I'm out.